According to the North Texas MLS, the average home takes 32 days on the market to sell. However, this number is just an average. In reality, have you ever noticed that some homes sell almost instantly while others stagnate and sit on the market for months? Well, why is this? In our opinion, it comes down to three key factors: condition, accessibility, and pricing. Today, we're going to break down each of these key factors for you and explain how you can leverage them to sell your home faster and for more money. Number one is condition. You can't control your location, but you certainly can upgrade your home's condition before you hit the market, and to make sure you're taking care of any minor repairs ahead of time that buyers might see and think you haven't maintained the home. You may even want your real estate agent to walk you through the house and point out which things make sense to do now versus which things maybe don't matter as much for resale value. Small things might not seem like a big deal, but they really can leave a poor impression on buyers when they're walking through your home. Plus, buyers don't have a ton of spare cash with today's high interest rates, so they're looking at what they can buy for as little money out of pocket as possible. So if they don't have to pay for repairs themselves, they'll be more likely to put in an offer fast on your home. Number two is accessibility. Buyers can't put an offer on a home they can't see. So being accessible to buyers as much as possible will increase your number of showings, but it's also going to net you more offers faster. And I understand it's not always possible to accommodate every single showing, or if somebody wants to see something on short notice. So consider temporary housing for the first week or two that you're on the market with another place to stay. It'll make it a lot easier for you to get people through your home and generate as many offers as possible. We always encourage our clients, as soon as you go on vacation and the cell service becomes hard to get a hold of you, that's when we're going to get your offers. Number three is pricing. Your initial number is more than just a number. I'm here to tell you that. And it's the first part of your marketing strategy. So working with your agent to find similar homes in your area that are both on the market as active competition, but also recently sold, is a really good starting point. Also, from there, you need to choose the homes that are similar to your condition that have sold and create a competitive market for you. You want to start a bidding war. You want to get out ahead in front of the competition. And to help this, what you want to do is you want to look at homes that sold quickly in conditions like yours, or you need to price under the ones that might be nicer than yours to get ahead of the competition. So hopefully these tips you received today will help you sell your home quickly. And in the meantime, don't hesitate to call me or reach out to me for a free home selling consultation. Our team does them all the time, and we'll go over the details of your home, specifically look at what you have in your house to move your home quickly, and we look forward to hearing from you.